olive pate.
Oh, no, thank you.
Sulfur.
Oh, this is what happens when you leave your soil in this non-draining container over the winter. I so appreciate what you're doing. Hi, welcome to my video, and if it's your first time here, then welcome to my channel. I'm Anila, and today I am sharing the first installment of our balcony garden transformation for 2019. It's the Victoria Day long weekend, which for many Canadians is the time when we garden. And although we are setting up a very modest, condo-sized balcony, we are very enthusiastic about it every year. May 11th was when we started cleaning out the balcony. All of our balcony furniture, including the rug, the shelves, the trellis, everything stays on the balcony during winter. I did not empty all of my pots of soil this year. We were traveling when the weather changed, and when we got back from our travels, neither one of us was really enthusiastic about tidying up the balcony, so we just left it, which in the end turned out to be a bit of a mistake because we had a lot of cleaning up to do. And when I say we, I really mean Pranav, because I actually did not involve myself in the cleaning process very much. But I'm very thankful that he took the initiative to do so because it was a big job. If you watched last year's video, then you already know this, but our balcony is 50 square feet and it faces southwest, which means we have pretty decent sun exposure. Last year we were very successful in growing quite a few edibles. We would like to do the same thing this year, and I would also like to get several bee attracting plants for my balcony too, because we did manage to attract a few bees last year, and I hope we can do better this year. Yesterday we picked up some soil from Walmart and then headed to the Nations Garden Center, which is in the Stockyards area. It's modest, but it had just about everything that we wanted to start off with. We picked up some edibles, some flowering plants, and some herbs, and then took them home to repot them straight away.
I can't feel the soil with these gloves on it, that's all.
I know, sometimes you really want to feel the soil, to like the texture and all that, but it's okay.
Summer baby.
Now I can't tell you how happy this makes me. And such a variety of things, and such different things than what we got last year.
An African marigold, carnations.
The variegation is really lovely on this.
I love the color you chose, babe.
So pretty. Yeah.
Maripas. A snackable peppers. What kind of herb is it?
Oh, this is the lemon thyme. Yeah, there we go, lemon thyme. It's called the happy hour mix. Calibrachoa. We had another variety of this last year, so that's a repeat. Oh, and then we have orange mint. You probably use it interchangeably with mint. What is this? Is this like a mini dahlia?
Yes, I would think it's a mini dahlia.
Miniature dahlia.
I love the color. It's peachish pink.
Pretty. This is called the Vancouver Centennial Geranium. Look at the variegation on this leaf. It's similar to
looks like a maple.
Coleus. Yeah, but then these flowers are going to be red. Thai dragon mirch behind my master.
It's a good companion for fur days.
Much like every other year, we say that we're going to keep our garden modest, but usually by mid-July, the beginning of August, it is completely overrun, and I'm not even really sure how that happens. I often get plants from my mom. Sometimes I even just find plants randomly as well. I do think it's a bit of an addiction, and I am aware of it, but I also have no desire to change it. And even in the middle of this potting session, we talked about getting lettuce for the trough and a few more flowering plants for the garden shelves.
Wiggle its roots.
I'm so naughty.
And why do we do that?
I mean, I've heard that if it's, a little pot bound or root bound, it just encourages the roots to spread a little bit. Look at you tickling those roots. After round 1 of potting, Brenna was kind enough to sweep the balcony yet again, and things were off to a really good start. All of this happened yesterday, and whenever you repot plants, they can sometimes get a little bit stressed. They did look a little traumatized initially, but things picked up over the course of the day. It got sunnier in the first half, and then it rained later in the evening. I arranged and rearranged, and then I think we were pretty satisfied with how the balcony was starting to look. I'll do another update again in about 2 weeks' time, and this is going to be a regular series over the course of the summer, just to provide updates about how the balcony is doing, how many bees we're attracting, whether the edibles are coming along nicely, and just to share the transformation that this balcony is going to undergo, because I know that the way it looks now is definitely not the way it's going to look a month from now. So be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, that way you don't miss any content from me. And if you are also a balcony gardener, then please share some of your experiences down below so we can all benefit from your knowledge. Especially if you encounter a lot of pests on your balcony, I would be very curious to know about any solutions that you may have. I have a couple recipes for natural pesticides that I would like to try this year, but we will cross that bridge when we reach it. Thank you for spending time with me, and happy gardening! I'll see you very soon in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.